Travessa do Bálsamo,永安息巷Macau.
So we have Travessa do Balsamo. Balsamo. Got this beautiful little building on the corner. Balsamo kind of meanders around in that way. And then if you watch my other video not too long ago, I did Buzio. So I explored that way. And those were some streets over in that direction. So we're gonna stay over by Balsamo. There's other stuff around here, but I'm gonna try to meander and focus on ours. So let me just put this up on the map. I'll try to explain it all more in a minute. How skinny that building is. It's so skinny. But we're gonna be walking down that street. So let me put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so this Balsamo is gonna go that way, so we're gonna go down that way first. And then I think that it's also, this is a different street down that way. So so we're gonna kind of meander around in this small, what once was a village. So it has some kind of village feel to it. If you watched my other one where I was in the same space as well, I'm gonna try to walk down some slightly different streets so you don't have the same stuff. But I will walk around this village a little bit. Balsamo. Let me see. This actually goes into a different street. So that's actually Pano Street, that direction. So this is Balsamo. You can see that sign goes all the way down. Then we are gonna go down this way. This is also part of Balsamo right there too. And that is also it too. So we're gonna show you, there's a green building over there. We'll be up there in a minute. So Balsamo, Balsamo. So this lane kind of meanders around in an interesting way like that. Let me see, this actually looks kind of interesting. Engineering. Then you have some courtyards. So that's a whole little courtyard. But I don't know, it feels like it could be like a dog or something. So we're gonna keep on going down. This is all part of Balsamo. This is actually a different one. So that's actually Tabuas. It's like a little courtyard. So let's go all the way down. So we just came into a Largo. Largo is like a square. Check out those old buildings. Oh, that's so crazy. So yeah, we just went into a courtyard, and our street is quite small. Speaking of small, check out how small that bike is. Tiny little bike. I can see somebody in there, so I won't go in. That does look kind of cool. Hello. Little patio courtyard. I don't know if I'm scaring him or not. Probably am. There's some nice rooftop stuff over there. So there's Balsamo. This is actually also part of Balsamo. So I'm gonna walk up it. And then so this is like a little, it feels like what was once a tiny village, and then it kind of got engulfed by the city. Then up on this street you'll see, so that's also part of it too, right? Balsamo. Then when you come up here, you'll see a lot of these kind of green colonial looking buildings. So we'll see like a little row of them there, and they're all about 2 to 3 stories high. And then there's a hill up there called Mongha. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of come off of our street a little bit. So that's Balsamo. And I'm gonna go down a little tiny bit because I want to show some of these colonial houses. So these are all a couple stories, and then the other buildings will be quite tall. Yeah, look how beautiful those are. So we're gonna try to go back into our target street. So that little village, you can see, you know, we're kind of on all these big main grids everywhere in this area. Some vending machines. Then we're gonna come back in to what kind of has more of a village feel again. This is where the workers kind of clean all the streets up, so they're kind of based in this space. Balsamo, this is where we started at. So we kind of went down that way. I am going to, I just want to add a little bit of feeling to the whole area. So we're gonna walk, kind of showing this other street slightly, Buzio, mostly because I want to explore into this little village alley feel for you guys. And then we're gonna come back to our target street again, but it'll kind of add all the texture to it. And then a lot of these names have all kinds of different streets in here, so it's just not one. There's probably at least like 10 or 12. Buzio, which I just filmed recently. We can go down these little alleys in here. There's another main street over here called Mother Teresa Street. And then on the other side is Padre Roliche. Let me just do a quick 360. So we got Buzio again, another street name, Pasaros, Little Becco it's called. We have these little alleys in this space. We have another little Travessa. Then we have another one called a Becco over here. You have another little alley in here. No, this is a little courtyard in here. I guess they call it a Becco. Here's a Hua. Hua is like a little street. We're gonna walk down this one actually. We're just gonna, then we're gonna come back to our street in a moment as well. And then there's a little cafe, restaurant, maybe even a bar. So there's people in there today. It's like a sake bar, maybe Japanese. some artwork. Different street names again. Passadiço. Esteira. Okay, so we're gonna stroll back towards our target street. But it is kind of cool. So that big main road there would have been Mother Teresa, and then this one I think is Padre Rolis, something like that. Padre. Let me see where this go. Oh, she's gonna. He's looking for somewhere to park, but doesn't want to go into the parking garage, I think. So we're gonna go into this alley as well. Then we're gonna end up back where we started in a moment. That's unhealthy. A lot of cars coming behind me. There's a parking lot right there, so. Let's see. More little alleys everywhere. Hotel. You see. And I think more alleys. I think we came around and we were over there, so I'm going to go back and go back to our target spot. The diner here. Oh yeah, Gafanhoto. So this is Gafanhoto, different one. And then we're gonna come back here. So this is where we started at. So we started at Balsamo. Kind of cool. Okay, so let's end this video. It says Macau.